Hey guys, I've been teaching on Udemy for a couple years now, so go ahead and head over to my channel. A lot of the stuff that I was teaching on here, kind of as like a little side project, I've now been doing on Udemy for about 2 to 3 years now, um, since late 2019 sorry, yeah, no, early 2020, since early 2020. And I have a beginning Fusion 360, an intermediate Fusion 360, intro to 3D printing. I'm working on a intermediate 3D printing. I have a general programming fundamentals, beginning Arduino, and beginning Unity 2D. So a couple of the different ones I'm working on. I'm working on an intermediate FDM 3D printing. I'm working on a resin 3D printing. I'm working on an advanced Fusion 360. Um, I think I said I'm working on an intermediate FDM class as well. And then I'm working on a Fusion 360 simulation and a Fusion 360 cam. Those are a couple that I am working on, and so just wanted to point that out to you guys. And I'm going to be starting to drop weekly hints or weekly tips on these different things that I've learned and some things about these programs that might not be discussed on different classes, or even my own classes be focused on that much. So I'll be I'll be releasing these and scheduling these to be released, these hints, to promote my Udemy class, as well as to help you guys out with these different hints. And you'll also find that those hints will end up in those classes as well. So this is a video talking about this. At the end of the tips, I'll have a short video of my Udemy channel, so that you guys can go check it out if you want to see some more of the focused Fusion classes, whether it's Fusion 360, Udemy, or anything of the sort, Arduino, programming, whatever. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.